Welcome to our lecture online. Our next topic in algebra, rate problems or solving rate problems. Now before we get started on solving these rate problems, let's get used to some of the terminology and the approach in which that should be done. So first of all, when we're dealing with rate problems, we have to determine the fraction of the job done per hour. For example, let's say that it takes 12 hours, and of course this should be hours, 12 hours to do the whole job. That means we can do 1/12 of the job in 1 hour. So first we need to determine the fraction of the job that can be done per hour. And sometimes when there's multiple people working on the job, we need to do that for each person on the job. How long does it take that person to do the whole job? And then of course, we take the inverse of that. That's the amount of the job that can be done in 1 hour. So the inverse of 12 is 1/12. Next, we need to determine the rate of doing work. And that's kind of the same thing as step number one. The rate is simply how much of the job you can do in how much time. In this case, we can do the whole job in 12 hours, or we can do 1/12 of the job in 1 hour. Maybe I should write 1 hour here. And so then you can see that that is in essence the meaning of the word rate, or rate of doing work. We can do one job in 12 hours, or we can do 1/12 of the job in 1 hour. And finally, the fraction of the work done by each person working on the job can simply be found by taking the rate of that person and multiplying times how much time that person spends on the job. In other words, the rate of person one times the time spent by person one. As an example, let's say that person one has a work rate of doing 1/12 of the job in every hour. For example, that means that the job can be done in 12 hours by that one person. And let's say that person works for 4 hours. The fraction of the job done by that person is the rate, which is 1/12 of a job per hour, times the time, which is 4 hours. 4 times 1/12 is 4/12, or 1/3 of the job, which means the fraction of the job that can be done by person one, who has a rate of 1/12 of a job per hour, working for 4 hours, is 1/3 of the whole job. And so those are the general concepts that we need to understand in order to solve these types of rate problems. Well, we haven't shown you any examples yet. Examples are to come. When the examples come, these are the conditions and these are the terminologies that we're going to need to solve those problems. And that is how it's done.